Last evening was that Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from the Vice President's post, citing health concerns. CNN News 18's Aman Sharma is joining in with more details on this. Aman.
So Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned. His resignation has also been accepted by the government. The Prime Minister has put out a statement commending the contributions of Jagdeep Dhankar in various positions. But what is the inside story? Is it that the government was upset with him yesterday after he accepted the impeachment motion moved by 65 odd opposition MPs? And did Mr. Dhankar not keep the government in loop about this particular impeachment motion? Remember, senior ministers like JP Nadda and Kiran Rijiju subsequently did not attend the BAC meeting called by Mr. Dhankar at 4:30 p.m. Though now Mr. Nadda and Mr. Rijiju both have said that a message was sent to Mr. Dhankar that they were busy. But this is a surprise series of events. Mr. Dhankar had just spent about 3 years in this post, and his resignation with immediate effect, which he has written to the president and which has now been accepted, throws open a host of speculations. Was he getting too friendly with the Congress leaders? Was he giving them the extra, benefit sometimes? It is a complete change of the situation, because just a few months back, the Congress had moved an impeachment motion against Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar in December 2024. What changed completely in the next 6 months, where now there is hushed talk in the parliament corridors that he was being soft, maybe on being too friendly with the Congress leaders. He had met Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge at the VP estate some days ago. Arvind Kejriwal he had met at his residence on Sunday. What has really happened remains under wraps, but it is one thing is very, very clear, that Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar's resignation has come as a surprise and a shock to many, and he is hung his boots just 3 years into his tenure.